If you were not even turn that music off, turn that music off, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Stop that beat. If you were not even now, Abalenga, Missy D, I don't know, I don't know, Apura Bana, Sigi Bana, Tanado Mama, Tanado Lino, Apura Bana, Sigi Bana, Tanado Mama, Tanado Lino. All right. Hey! Hey! How did you do? How did you do? What's on that? What's on that? Hinga bola! Hinga bola! Hinga bola! Hinga bola! If you don't believe, and you want to do it, and you don't want to bola, and you don't want to hey! Put your hand in the air! 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 We are mama, we are salsa. We are mama, we are salsa. Bola, salsa. Palama tango, salsa. Yule bana, salsa. Yule baba, salsa. Yule salsa. Yule salsa. Yago mama, salsa. Yago mama, salsa. You ready? You don't want to dance? You don't want to dance tonight? Alright. I want somebody to come up here tonight, and I want somebody to dance tonight. You scared? You scared tonight? Alright. What happened? What time you dance? Well, you dance tonight. Okay. If you for serious and you for police and you for Guatemala, I want to see you put your hands in the air. It don't matter where you come from. I want to see you put your hands in the air. Put your hand in the air. Put your hand in the air. Put your hand in the air. Hey, put your hand in the air. 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 GG. Oh my God. Okay, one thing I want to let everybody know is doesn't matter where we come from, we over here together, we all Galifuna, you heard me? Galifuna to the fullest. And I come from New York to make this happen for DJ La Fuga and the foundation. Hey! Hey! All right, next is out. Are we Galifunas? Or we Americans? When I say Galifuna, I want to hear everybody say Galifuna. 1, 2, 3. When I say Galifuna, I want to hear everybody say Galifuna. When I come to 3. 1, 2, 3. We all got to sit together, you heard me? I'm going to show you the music that made us. I'm going to show you the music that made us. And there's a lot of people that sing my music. And you know something? I try to keep calm and I try not to come out the closet and let everybody know what we did. But you know something? Indios, Galifunas, everybody, they've been making money off our music. Let's go. Okay, Policias, pasen, Ponchame Guatemala pasen, aquí estamos. There's a lot of people out here that sing my music, but you know something? I love it because they passion the music and they're making it happen. But you know what? I'm the originator. Not even a kid, the originator. Yay! He wanna hold me down, but he don't cover man, don't have no kind of behavior. Alright, if you from Honduras, if you from Belize, if you from Guatemala, put your hand in the air, 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 put your hand in the air. Alright, this how we do it. Venimos de Estatura, Guatemala, venimos de Belice, Guatemala. Vamos a bailar, vamos a rumbar, vamos a tocar, vamos a bailar. Bye bye. You know something? They didn't want to give me a coldest fight. They didn't want to give me a coldest fight. Because you know something? I have no behavior. I jump over things and I don't care. Last time I was in California, I broke my leg. But you know something? I said on the board, do your thing. Block. Hey! Guatemala and Belize, I want to see your hands in the air! Under the air, 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 under the air.
Now, boy, you supposed to keep my chain. This shit is real. This ain't no fake shit that everybody be wearing from the swap meet. This $2,300 on their neck, boy. Gorilla, Chi-Chi, you know how I do it, baby. I took $20 from my aunt when I was young. She said, Coco, you stole my money. I said, no, I didn't. I said, yes, I did. All right. You know something? You know what's so crazy about it? That we live today to talk about it. And we have happiness. That's right. And that's what's important. That we all got us. Little June, that's my little nephew. I love him. I train him. And I tell him to keep focused and do what you do. When you see him get on top of the speakers, and you see him do this and do this, that's what Coco Man used to do. I want to do that shit tonight, but they don't want to give me a cordless mic. You know, last time I did that shit, I broke my leg. And I say, you know something? I still don't care. I don't want to curse because there's a lot of kids in the house tonight. But you know something? Our destiny is to die. And we all going to die one day. But you know what? As long as we're alive, let's be happy. And let's have fun. Because you know something? If I die tonight, it doesn't matter. Y'all saw me die and I was happy. Don't let the forehead fool you. Hello, that's it, sexy. Hello. Alright. I'm sure about myself, best believe that. A lot of these men ain't sure about themselves, but you know what, when you talk about Coco Man, I'm that nigga. What's my mother nigga? Hello. Yes. That's the number one interview in the house tonight. My DJ, that's how we do it. Gotta put our power. Lick your lips, cause it's ashy. Alright. Alright. In the meantime, we're gonna throw, before we do that, we're gonna throw all the old school stuff so y'all don't forget about where we come from and how this started. Chi-Chi, that's my aunt right there. She used to whip my ass. I didn't forget about that shit. But when I ain't go, I went to high school out here in Manu. She said, Coco Man, No, it wasn't Coco, man. It was Panama. She said, you ain't going to school today? Rah! I said, all right, cool. I'm going to school. Thank you, Mia. You heard me? Thank you thank you for all the support. You heard me? And she over here right now. I still owe your ass one, though. All right, cool. All right, let's do it. Oh, we got a new director in the house. Where the fuck is him? You know like, ooh, hey, where he coming from? He gotta be from, he's like, ooh, hey, can you not laugh? Well, he take up on you there. All right, let's go, baby. Soon I know my querendo, soon I know my querendo. This is a legend. This song is so crazy that everybody gotta understand this. And I want to hear everybody say, Ayugale Bana Higamo Mama Sonanu Mate. Y'all heard me? Did y'all hear what I said? Before we put this music on, I want to hear it. Ayugale Bana Higamo Mama Sonanu Mate. Bendito Yugale Nido. Ay Malama Tuago Semene Haya. Ay Sonanu Mate. Ay Sonanu Mate. That's what I'm talking about. Listen, y'all can't be shy. All of us is singing. We got Galifunas. All of us is singers. I didn't start off singing. I started playing the trumpet player. I was a trumpet player. So you know what I'm saying? I want everybody. You see you? Come here. Get your ass over here. Get over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come here. Come around. Come around. Yeah, you. Bring him around. Bring him around. Bring him around. Get him on stage. I'm going to show you how he going to sing Soon I Know My Thing. All right? That's how I do it. You're running. I change up the system. It's serious. That's what I do. Bring him around here. Bring him around here because that's what Coco Man do. And if you don't know me, you're going to know me tonight. Best believe that. Because Coco Man don't bite his mic for nothing. All right, give him a say. Give me your hands. Give me your hands. You strong. Where you from? Colombia. Y'all heard that? All right. Now, I'm going to show y'all something different shit. Excuse me for my French, because you're older than me. But it's just the arrogance in me. This is like, nah, that's going like, all right? So, I want you to... All right. We're going to do it like this. You ready? This is something different. You got to record this shit. All right? This is what Coco Man do. Hi, balaba, se mete punta. No keyboard. All right? No keyboard. I'm going to keep going. You're going to keep saying, come from the balls. Now, believe it or not, come from the balls. All right, yeah, from the balls. All right, now from the balls. That's how we do, from the balls. All right. Hi, take it, bandito, you go to Bana. You go to Bana, kick up on nothing. Hey, take it, bandito, you go to Bana. Oh, you go to Bana, kick up on Bana. Hey, I'm going to Bana, you go to Bana. Hey, Bana, you go to Bana. Hey, so I know what. Hey, so I know what. All right. See? You see what I'm saying? Give me a hug. The John's vacation is going crazy. What's your name again? Ben-Ami. Ben-Ami. You see? Listen, can I get a round of applause for Ben-Ami tonight? You see? You gotta understand. We all come in different kind of cultures, all different kind of colors. I'm black as fuck, but when at nighttime you can't see me. Unless I laugh, you're gonna be like, oh, they're gonna Coco Man right this up. Alright? So it don't matter the color. It matters. Yo, listen. I want everybody to know that we are all equal. It don't matter what color you are. It don't matter what it is. If you shit green, I shit red last night because I had some Hennessy. And you know what? Chichi, you don't hear that from me on too. All right, let's go. We want the fire. said the baby, you gonna move. I feel like this. Now move up. Llama a tu novia como me diga. Háblale de tu mamá con aquí. Háblale de tu mamá con This is a song that I hide from my mother. So when I got home, my mother said, what are you talking about? Hit me together, and all the other crazy shit. And you know something? I had to let her know. She had enough praise for what? They're gonna do that whole baby, yeah. I'm gonna do the whole baby for my kids. I'm gonna do the whole Are you scared? Everybody scared? Hold up. Stop me. If you got even now, why are you scared to get on stage and dance what you want to dance? Who's scared to get on stage? Okay, you scared to get on stage? Yo, come on, brother. Come on. All right, I got a man that's on the stage, and I want a woman to get on stage. Yo, listen, it's our Independence Day. Why y'all acting scared to get on stage? When I go to the hotel, I'm gonna be in the shower like, I'm going crazy in the shower. All right, come, man. Gigi. Yo, Dia. Yo, you ain't teach your younger generation how to dance pool dance? They scared. I want to be like, we got the answer. Oh, we got one over here. Yeah, we got one. Can I get a lady over here? Yeah, can I get a lady? Oh, come on, baby, come on. You want by yourself? Oh, Lord have mercy. All right. She want to do it by herself. All right, check that. Hold up. All right, listen. Listen here, Linda. Yo, La Buga, y'all didn't give me no cordless mic for nothing. I wanted to climb up there and jump to the stage. I don't care. I was going to die. I don't care. Take me to Sentinella Hospital, even though they don't take care of me. I went to Sentinella Hospital. Look what they did to me. I was in Sentinella Hospital. They broke my leg. And I said, bang, 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 bang. And I'm still here. It don't matter. Y'all seen it? Look at it. Facebook, Instagram, oh man, yeah. It don't matter. All right, my bad. Hello, all right. Let me give it to you one more time. Let me show it to you one more time. Let me do it to you one more time. Let me hear you one more time. Let me do it to you one more time. Let me show it to you one more time. Let me do it to you one more time. Let me do it the second time. What that to you today? Bring it back to me today, baby. 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 Let me do it one more time. We'll do it one more time. How you doing it one more time? How you doing it one more time? We'll do it one more time. How you doing it one more time? We'll do it one more time. How you doing it one more time? Bring it down, 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 bring it down. I'm gonna pop it. I'm not. Can't roll out. Are you gonna call it? I don't why. I don't got cable. What is it? Oh Lord. Listen, everybody, I'm going home. You saw that shit? I thought I was gonna do that shit. Let me do it one more time. Shit. My underwear is too tight. I can't do that. You know one more? And we're gonna do oh, that's the female version. We're gonna do the male version. Alright, so you know what? You gonna top her. You gonna top her? Alright, he said he don't know. Everybody, we gonna eat. Listen, this is a $20 conversation, all right? Oh, you saying nothing? All right, cool. All right, so we ain't gonna more money in my pockets. All right. Yo, Dion, you hear that? Let's go. Rhythm. Let me see you one more time. Let me see you some more time. Let me see you some more time. Let me see you one more time. What are you doing one more time? What are you doing one more time? Let me hear you one more time. One more time. One more time. Let me hear you one more time. Let me hear you one more time. Let me hear you one more time. One more time. One more time. Let me do you one more time. Let me do you one more time. How you doing one more time? One more time. One more time. Take it down. 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 Bring it up. 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 Stop on top. Stop on top. Ay. What you gonna do? Quita la boca. What does it say? What you gonna say? Cheryl, why? What you gonna say? Ay, ay, ay. I'm going home. I'm going home. That's all that, right? That's all that. You tell me what it is. My hotel is already paid for, so I'm going home.
Alright.
Oh my God. Cheryl, you saw that? He went like this. Yo, Barry, y'all see that? I'm gonna represent that man. He went like this. One more time. Hi, hi, hi. My pants tight. I can't go down low. I can't go down low. That's it right there. I love you, baby. Yeah, Teresa, R.I.P. Her father, Mando. That's my girl. Listen, your father used to whip my ass. I still love him, though. You know what I mean? Hold up.
Hold on, no, you know what? I want to recognize Mark. Come on up, Mark. We have a city citation for Mark Martinez. Mark Theodore Martinez does a lot of films, a lot of TV shows, commercials. You have seen him on a lot of commercials nationwide. And so we have a nice City of Los Angeles citation for the work that you do in the community for representing, brother, because I know that it's not easy to make it in Hollywood. So with that, I want to present this to you for what you do and to honor you because you're part of our community. Love you, man.
Thank you very much. Wow, those words is an actor. Thank you. I love my girlfriend people. I love my girlfriend people. Every time I do work, I always recognize being from Belize. I recognize being a girlfriend, an actor. I have a show actually on Zeus Network right now with Black China and Wow, Tokyo Pony. It's going on for 2 months. Watch the whole segment. I recognize being from Belize. I recognize being from Dan Riga and a girlfriend. And thank you for this accomplishment and recognition. Also, thank you very much.
I appreciate it. Thank you, Mark. Also, a wonderful gentleman. The name of him is Ali Alié. A lot of you know him from the movies that he made. El Espíritu de mi mamá, The Spirit of My Mother. And this is a Garifuna film that he did in Honduras and Los Angeles. And this is Ali Alié, who also did Garifuna in Peril. Garifuna in Peril, a wonderful movie that touches the hearts of a lot of people. Every time we see it, it is the fact that Garifuna people are not taking care of the culture, their home, their lands. So awareness has been created, and thank you, Ali, for what you do, man. And your wonderful wife, Miss Araceli Núñez de Ali. Aha.
It's a wonderful night. I'm proud to be a part of it. Just got remarried again by Vocal Man backstage. So I'm going on my honeymoon.
Congratulations. Thank you so much, Ali. We love you. Kokoman, we need you on stage. We want more from you, man. We can't let you go back to New York until you do your thing.
All right, Labuga, I wanted to call this mic so I could jump from that light pole into this mother. I don't care. Listen, let me tell you something. I die for Garifuna music. You understand me? Can I get a round of applause for that, please? I die for Garifuna music. I was born and raised in New York City. I read it, I write it, I speak it, and I do what I do. I was out here in LA and I was doing what I'm doing. Went back to New York, Lizette, oh Lord have mercy. A lot of memories don't live like people do. And all is hello. All right, like we do. All right, put that music on TT. Even though you whip my ass, I still love you. My aunt used to whip my ass. She was like, Laka. Hello. Let's do that again. I want it to sound strong, boy. All right. That shit sounded like Yo Suarez. Yo. I didn't hear the Yo, Dion, yo, Lulu, we've been singing more than 20 years now. You know how the hell that shit's supposed to sound. That body's supposed to come on. I ain't even piss on myself. That shit still wasn't right. Come on, ain't gonna do some shit right. You know something? We gonna do this shit right. Let's go. Woman in the Madina Dia, woman in the Madina Dia, woman in the Madina Dia, Listen to me. We're gonna do this shit like this. Where you going? Yo, you my man. Listen, where you going? Stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. When I say para abajo, we're gonna go para abajo. Don't worry about it. Your jeans ain't that tight, baby. Alright, listen to me. Where you at? Where you at? Stop talking to Chris. Why are you talking to Chris? Now listen to this. When we go para abajo, everybody gonna go para abajo. When we go para arriba, everybody gonna go para arriba. If your shit is tight, that's your problema. Okay? That ain't my problem. That ain't my problem at all. Alright. So we're gonna do it like this. Alright. Alright. Hey, give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. One more time. One more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. One more time. One more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. One more time. Hey, give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. One more time. One more time. Para abajo. Para abajo. Para abajo. Para abajo. Para abajo. Hold on. Yo, when the hell, Rabuga, when the hell I'm dancing with a girl? No, you're right. You 100% right. You're right. When I'm gonna dance with a girl, and the girl gonna be like this, and then he gonna be like this. Yo, listen. That's your brother. But still, But still, you gotta still go. That's both our music. All right, don't grind on her, but still go. Grab a heel or something like that. All right, y'all ready? Let's go. Okay. I see you, baby. Hey, give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. One more time. One more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. Give it to me one more time. One more time. One more time. All right. One more time. Everybody there. Where you going? You want to do it? What's that time? Hey. I got you. Oh Lord. You see, can I get a round of applause? Can I get a round of applause? See, I'm not your cousin and I ain't your brother. I'll grab your hand and go, get over here. Can I get two more contestants? Two more before we go. Can I get two more before we go, please? Y'all did an excellent job. Excellent job. Can I get two more before we go? Two more. Huh? One more? Can I get one more before we go? Can I get one more before we go? All right. Huh? You get up there? All right. Oh, Mark said he's going to get up here. Can I get a cameraman there? Mark said he's going to get it. Can I get a female for Mark? Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. We got one right here. We got some Galifunas right now. Oh, shit. Now, y'all gonna know that I ain't got no drawers on today. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. You dance with him. Cause you know me, I get crazy. They call me 69. I ain't got no hate.
Okay, Coco Man to the stage. Be ready.
Jorge Coco Manguero. A proclamation for the city of Los Angeles. Certificate of recognition. On behalf of the New Night Council District and Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United GAFU, in honor of your outstanding collaboration as an ambassador of the Garifuna culture to the world. Thank you for the working with GAFU, Garifuna Street Fest, in sharing the riches of our culture. Best wishes, my brother, and much success of all your future endeavors. Signed November 17, 2019 by Corindy Price Jr., Council Member, 9th District.
All right. Listen, let me tell you something. Take a picture. That's my boy right there. Respect. All right. Listen. Everybody, do you see this? Everybody, do you see this? Garifunas, do you see this? All of us got to stick together, you heard me? Because Garifunas, listen, let me tell you something. I was born and raised in New York City. And you know something? I learned my language. My mother just passed away 2 months ago. Hold that word, please. And you know what? I'm dedicating this night for my mother, my father, and every Garifuna that passed away. You know, a lot of people get weak when they have death in their family. But I can't get weak because you know what? I'm a pure Garifuna. You know something? You see that? You see how y'all understand that y'all respond to that? All right. To our ancestors? That's one thing that I didn't understand when I was young. But you know something? I love all of y'all and I thank y'all. Los Angeles. I graduated from high school in California. You know something? I want y'all to know we're gonna party. Cause I ain't gotta go home. I really don't gotta go home. My plane leaves tomorrow to New York. But we're gonna party. If they let us party till the morning, we're gonna party. It doesn't matter. Cause we all work. We are not even now, right or wrong. Hey, hey! Hey, hey! How does it do? How does it do? Did you want time that? Did you want time that? Bedelia, you already know. All right, you know something? We did a lot of things from 1993, 1994, and we brought up this culture. For all my peoples out here, this is what we've been doing for the longest. I was in California going